Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi ini rekaman buat materi deep learning. Um, jadi deep learning ini sama seperti dataset Iris kemarin, ini dijadikan laporan lagi di hari Senin di 5 Juni teman-teman. Jadi ya dibikin laporan kayak dataset, tapi data Irisnya nggak ikut, jadi bener-bener cuman teori deep learning gitu. Terus ini slidesnya gue dapet dari Google, punyanya David Korn sama Nick Taylor, Heriot-Watt University, dan bukan slides gue. Oke, jadi ini adalah apa itu deep learning, dan yang ini deep learning ini akan kita pakai untuk mencoba eksperimen A dan eksperimen B. Langsung cepat aja. Oke, sebenarnya apa sih deep learning? Jadi ini bisa dibaca sendiri. Sebenarnya apa ya, deep learning itu adalah sebuah subfield dari machine learning. Jadi ini masuk ML yang merepresentasikan data gitu. Nah, dia jadi bisa belajar pola-pola. Deep learning algoritma ini bisa belajar secara level yang banyak gitu, dengan merepresentasikan hierarki dari multiple layers tersebut. Jadi misalnya kita punya banyak informasi dan dia bisa mempelajari gitu, apa sih tons of information ini gitu. Jadi misal gini, inputnya adalah car gitu, terus di machine learning feature extraction, terus classification, baru nanti dia tahu outputnya car atau enggak car. Tapi kalau di deep learning dia langsung input mobil, dia nggak usah diekstrak dulu feature-featurenya gitu, dia langsung gabungin feature extraction dan classification. Dalam artian kalau di feature extraction itu kita ngasih tahu fitur ada cat, ada ini apa, ada roda, ada motornya, ada pistonnya segala macam. Tapi kalau misalnya di deep learning ini dia langsung bisa ngeklasifikasi antara dengan feature extraction ini. Nah, kalau di eksperimen kita itu ini bisa dimention di laporan juga, adalah feature extraction ini adalah facial atau face recognition gitu dari teman-teman kelas kita gitu. Nah, kenapa deep learning itu useful? Karena ini sebenarnya untuk bikin ini sih biar lebih cepat aja gitu. Kita nge-classify suatu fitur atau suatu kelasnya itu sebenarnya. Kelas itu sebenarnya apa sih? Kelas tuh misal mobil nih. Nah, kelasnya itu adalah misal mobil uh, mobil yang gede, mobil yang gepeng, mobil yang kecil gitu-gitu. Itu kelas-kelas, dan itu akan kita determine dengan deep learning gitu. Nah, deep learning ini dia membagikan sesuatu yang sangat fleksibel gitu. Apa sebenarnya yaitu adalah visual informasi. Jadi visual informasinya itu nanti yang kayak bounding yang kemarin kalau nggak salah tuh, yang ada kayak kalau nggak salah siapa yang ngirim di grup, pokoknya ada monyet gitu-gitu, terus ini terdeteksi Arel lagi, Arel ya, lupa gue, Adi, lupa kayaknya Adi gitu. Dan dia itu bisa ngerti unsupervised sama supervised, dan juga efektif banget untuk nge-learn system gitu. Nah, ini sebenarnya nggak terlalu penting, cuman kita skip aja. Oke, jadi sebenarnya apa sih deep learning, dan juga kenapa secara general ini lebih bagus daripada dari data science atau untuk mengolah data lainnya gitu. Kenapa deep learning lebih bagus? Nih, yang pertama, deep learning itu dia pakai neural network yang memiliki lapisan-lapisan antara input dan output gitu. Sebenarnya lapisan-lapisan tuh apa sih, nanti kita akan ke sana. Nah, dan yang kedua tuh the series of layers between input and output do feature identification and processing in a series of stage, just as our brains seem to, just as our brains seem to. Jadi kayak dia tuh prosesnya seperti otak kita gitu. Kita ketika melihat if we see some, lupa ada Halid ya. Oke, Halid, I'll speak English. Sorry, Halid. So if we try to see some car, the first thing that we gotta pretend is that, oh, this is a car, but what car is it? So then we see the body, we see the curves, and we see all the tire and also the size of the car, and then we can like basically determine what type of car is this. Is it a Pajero or is it a BMW, and etc. like that. And how do we do that? We have this several layers of nodes that that help us to determine which is which. So okay, but multilayer neural network have been around for 25 years. So what's actually new? So um, we had always a good algorithm for learning the weights in network with one hidden layer. This is the hidden layer, but these algorithms are not good at learning the weights of network with more hidden layers. The hidden layers represent like maybe the car has a lot of details that we don't know and stuff, so the hidden layers may confuse the old neural networks. So this is the multiple layers. So this is the hidden layers. The green one is the the hidden layers, and also the black one is input, and the other black one in the right is the output layer. So your brain works that way. So di PPT ini dijelasin sih. So this is basically the layers of our brain and how to like we operate with this hidden layer that we don't know, but we have to know to determine which one's which car is which. And also many layered neural network architecture should be capable of learning the true underlying features and feature logic, and therefore generalize very well. But until very recently, our weight learning algorithms simply didn't work on a multi-layer architecture. Why? Because they can't simply think. So we will have deep learning, the new way to train multi-layers, neural networks. So this is so the new way is basically train this layer first. So the computers start to like, okay, this layer's okay, let's say the input is the face of Andrew. So this one right here. So train this layer first. Oh, it's a human face. This layer. Oh, it has white skin. Okay, maybe Chinese, maybe Caucasian, or maybe a non-black tribe. And then the third one, oh, it's actually Chinese, but which one? I mean, it's actually Asian. So what kind of Asian face? Is it Chinese? Is it Philippines and stuff? Is it Korean? Oh, it's actually uh, Jakut. So and then the output is basically Andrew face is Jakut face. There you go. So each of the non-output layer is trained to be auto-encoder. Basically, it is forced to learn good features that describe what comes from the previous layer. An autoencoder is trained with an absolute standard weight adjustment algorithm to reproduce the input. So it's basically encode it first, encode the train first, and then basically decode the next hidden layer. So as my example before, the Andrew will be encoded first, and then it will be decoded again. So it reproduce the input, so they know what's ini orang ras apa dan segala macam gitu. By making this happen with many fewer units than the inputs, this forces the hidden layer units to become good feature detectors. Intermediate layers are each trained to be autoencoders or similar. Final layer, blah blah blah. The final layer will predict class based on output from previous layer. So the previous one said that Andrew is basically Jakut. So the Jakut is you guys know Jakut. Oh my god, what am I explaining? So the final layer will be Jakut, and there's a Jakut people, a person. There you go, and that's that. That's the basic idea of deep learning. There are many types of deep learning, different kinds of autoencoder, variations on architecture and training algorithm, and etc. Very fast growing area. So there's that. Thank you so much. So basically, don't forget this. so Senin 5 June. Okay, and maybe the subsection, I would give the subsection into the group. And also thank you very much for watching.